In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Grok account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can close your account confidently. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. It typically removes your conversations, preferences, and profile from Grok, and you won't be able to recover them later. If you have an active plan or you're part of a team workspace, check any billing or admin implications beforehand. First, open your browser and head to the official Grok website. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to remove. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left side panel of the interface. That's where your profile controls live. Click your profile, depending on your setup. This might appear as your avatar, your initials, or a small profile photo. A menu will open with several options related to your account. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main area where you can manage your account, preferences, and privacy options. Settings is the place you'll use to control what Grok stores and ultimately to delete the account. Inside Settings, find and select Data Controls. This section focuses on your data and privacy choices, including exporting, retention preferences, and account removal. If you don't see it right away, look for tabs or a sidebar within Settings. The label should clearly mention Data or Privacy. Within Data Controls, locate the Delete Account area. This is the dedicated control for permanently removing your account. Take a moment here to be certain you're acting on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one login. Click Delete. You'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to proceed. This safeguard is there to prevent accidental removals. When prompted, type the email address associated with your Grok account. This serves as a final verification that you own the account and truly intend to delete it. Enter it carefully to avoid typos. Finally, click Delete to confirm. After this, Grok will begin processing the removal. You should see an on-screen confirmation that your request was received, and in some cases, you might receive a follow-up message. Processing can take a bit of time depending on system policies, but once completed, you won't be able to sign back in with that account. If the menu labels look slightly different or the layout has changed, follow the same path: Profile, then Settings, then Data or Privacy Controls, and the Delete option. And if something doesn't load, try refreshing or signing out and back in. That's all you need to delete your Grok account safely and completely.